In this tutorial, you will learn how to import your CAD drawings to Sketchup. Before you import your CAD to Sketchup, clean up first your CAD to only have the drawings you needed. In your CAD drawings, go to Model Space and delete everything that you don't need. Zoom Extend to make sure that it's the only drawing that you have retained. Purge all items. To import your CAD file to SketchUp, go to File, Import. Make sure the files of type is in AutoCAD files because there are a lot of other types of file there. So AutoCAD files, double click your file. It will load much faster since we clean up our CAD files in CAD. And in here, since we have this man here, your floor plan will be automatically saved as a component. Try not having this man here. So again, let's create a new SketchUp file. So let's delete this man here first. Then again, import. It's like an exploded items. You still need to select them all, then make it as a component or a group. You can also make this as a group. There. So as a shortcut, just leave the man there when you import your CAD file and just delete him after. Since our CAD file is made in millimeter, we're going to have our SketchUp in millimeter as well. So Window, Model Info, on Units, make sure this is in decimal and in millimeter. So let's check our SketchUp if this wall is in 100 millimeter as well. So T for tape. There, it's in 100 millimeter. Let's try importing floor plan in an image file. So JPEG, image, there. Tap plan. So we know that this is should be 100. But right now it's 69 mm. So T for tape and click. Then instead of 69, type in 100. Do you want to resize the model? Yes. There, it's in 100 millimeter now. So that's how you rescale your floor plan using an image file. There. That's it. Thank you for watching.